One of the great features inside LogixOne Operator is its ability to be able to allocate operators or field service technicians to teams. So you can see here in our operator panel here, we have the ability to be able to see teams or isolate people or filter by teams. The question is, how do you associate your operators to teams? Well, when you click create an operator, you'll see here the teams that are available for you to be able to select them. So when I create an operator, I can select that this operator is applicable to team 1, team 2, team 5, team 6, and so on. And then when I click save, they'll be associated to those teams. What a lot of people ask is, well, how do I create my teams? To create your teams, you need to do that from the custom module that gets installed inside Logix Operator called your operators module. So if I just, I'm going to go into another panel here, and then if I just go to the 3 little buttons and click the L1 operators module, this is actually the custom module that gets installed, and this is where all of your operators are saved. So I'm just going to jump into another demo environment. You can see here I've got all my operators here. You can see I can select my different teams, but what I want to do is actually associate these operators. I want to actually add more teams to here. So if I click any of these links, that will take me to the L1 operator module and take me directly to that operator. All right. So if I click the module again, you'll see here's all my operator records. You can see a lot of these are inactive. But if I want to go and add teams to the operators, what I do is I basically go into one of these operators, click edit, and edit the page layout. This is standard Zoho CRM stuff. You could do this from the module customization in settings, and I'll show you that in a second. And then I just come down to teams and I click here. When we install it, we put 2 options in, 2 teams in, but you can just come in here, click edit, and you can modify your team. So you could change the team names, delete them, add new ones. I'm just going to put in team number 6 here, and then I'm going to save that, and then I'm going to save that module, and there we go, then it's done. So if I come back into LogixOne Operator and I refresh this, okay, so they've been synced. So I can go that, and now you can see I've got team 6 here. And if I filter by team 6, you'll see there is none here for it. So I'll just go back to all of them. So let's say I want to add operator 1 to team 6. So I can do that from here by just clicking the edit button. And then I'm going to add team 6 to them. And I'm going to save that. All right, so now operator 1 has been added to team 6. So if I select team 6 here, it's only going to show operator 1. Okay, so that's how you create teams inside LogixOne Operator custom module L1 operators. If you have any questions at all, you're a bit stuck with that, please don't hesitate to contact us using your the help tool here. All right, and there's more videos in there that you can use. But if you want to chat with us, please do so by clicking the chat button, or feel free to raise a ticket here. Thanks for watching.